Hello guys, today I will show you how to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Cash App in 2025. So first, you'll have to meet the withdrawal requirements and playthrough. So ensure that you've met the 1x playthrough requirement, that is deposit plus promo funds must be wagered once. You can then request a minimum withdrawal of $10 through your PrizePicks account. So after doing this, you'll have to choose withdrawal method. So PrizePicks allow withdrawal via instant bank transfers or card withdrawals. To link the Cash App, you will need to choose card withdrawal and target your Cash App debit card like a Visa or MasterCard. Note that the prepaid cards aren't supported. Now, add your Cash App debit card as withdrawal method. Ensure that it's a Visa MasterCard debit backed by traditional bank, not a prepaid variant. PrizePicks will verify it before completing the withdrawal. Now in the PrizePicks app or website, go to your wallet section or withdrawal section, enter the amount and choose your linked Cash App card. Confirm the withdrawal. Instant transfers typically arrive within seconds to minutes. So in conclusion, to withdraw your PrizePicks cash to Cash App, satisfy the 1x playthrough rule, then choose card withdrawal and link your Cash App debit card. It must be a regular Visa or MasterCard. Then submit the withdrawal and wait for instant or near instant transfer. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.